Q8383. When does current flow through the coil of a solenoid-operated electrical switch? A. Continually, as long as the aircraft's electrical system master switch is on. B. Continually, as long as the control circuit is complete. C. Only until the movable points contact the stationary points. The correct answer is B. Current flows continually through the coil of a solenoid-operated electrical switch as long as the control circuit is complete. Solenoid-operated switches use an electromagnetic coil to control the opening and closing of the switch contacts. When the control circuit is complete, current flows through the coil, creating a magnetic field that activates the switch mechanism. As long as the control circuit remains complete, the current will continue to flow through the coil, maintaining the switch in its activated state. Q8384. When a 2V, 75 ampere generator is installed on an aircraft, an electrical load analysis ground check is performed, and it is determined that the battery is furnishing 57 amperes to the system, with all electrical equipment operating. This indicates A. The load exceeds the maximum system percentage capacity. B. That the generator load will exceed the generator limit. C. The load will be within the generator load limit. The correct answer is C. When a 2V, 75 ampere generator is installed on an aircraft, and the electrical load analysis ground check reveals that the battery is furnishing 57 amperes to the system with all electrical equipment operating, it indicates that the load will be within the generator load limit. The generator is capable of supplying up to 75 amperes, and with the current load at 57 amperes, it is operating within its capacity. Q8385. What type of lubricant may be used to aid in pulling electrical wires or cables through conduits? A. Silicone grease. B. Soapstone talc. C. Rubber lubricant. The correct answer is B. Soapstone talc may be used as a lubricant to aid in pulling electrical wires or cables through conduits. It helps reduce friction between the wires or cables and the conduit walls, making it easier to pull them through without causing damage. The use of an appropriate lubricant can facilitate the installation process and prevent excessive strain on the wires or cables. Q8386. Which of the following is regulated in a generator to control its voltage output? A. Speed of the armature. B. Number of windings in the armature. C. The strength of the field. The correct answer is C. The strength of the field in a generator is regulated to control its voltage output. The field refers to the magnetic field produced by the generator's field winding. By adjusting the strength of this field, the output voltage of the generator can be controlled. The regulation ensures that the generator produces a stable and consistent voltage within the desired range. Q8387. Bonding jumpers should be designed and installed in such a manner that they A. Are not subjected to flexing by relative motion of airframe or engine components. B. Provide a low electrical resistance in the ground circuit. C. Prevent buildup of a static electrical charge between the airframe and the surrounding atmosphere. The correct answer is B. Bonding jumpers should be designed and installed in such a manner that they provide a low electrical resistance.